How are you today? I hope you are all fine. In this opportunity, I would like to explain about recount text. Let's take a look one by one. What is recount text? It is a text which retells past events or experiences in chronological order. So, it's a text which can tell you about things happened to you in the past. But remember, it should be in chronological order. The goal of the text is of course to retell past events or experiences. Now, what are the text structures? First of all, we have orientation. This orientation appears in the beginning of the text, so it means it appears in the first paragraph. It gives the readers the background information to understand the text, such as the characters and the setting of place and time. And then the second one, we have the events. Events tell the readers a sequence of events in chronological order. So, you tell the readers about the events going on in that event. Remember, still in chronological order. And then the last one, we have reorientation. It gives personal comment about the event at the end of the paragraph. So it means that reorientation appears in the last paragraph. What are the language features of recount text? First of all, since it tells you about past experiences, so you should use past tenses, including past simple, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. And then the second one, you have to mention the specific participant, such as I as the writer. Mostly, recount text will have I as the specific participant, but not always. The third one, the use of temporal conjunctions, such as after, before, next, firstly, lastly, and etc. These temporal conjunctions should appear in a recount text because the events should be told in chronological order, so you need these conjunctions. And the last one is the use of action verbs, such as went, came, brought, and there are lots more examples of action verb. And then there are three kinds of recount text. First one, we have personal recount. It retells an event that the writer involved in, such as personal experience, biography, and autobiography. This kind of text is maybe the one that you have learned in your junior high school. The second one, we have factual recount. It records particular incidents such as historical events, science experiment, and police report. So, in this kind of text, it gives us the facts. It tells us the facts happened in the historical events or experiment or a report. And then the last one is imaginative recount. It takes on an imaginary role and giving detailed events. For example, as the title of the text, it might be A Day in the Life of a Pirate or The Life of a Princess. So in this kind of text, you will place yourself as the writer. 2. Be someone that you imagine. Like, for example, in the title I have mentioned before, you imagine that you are a pirate or a princess. And then you tell the readers about what happened to a pirate. And then also, for example, what happened to the life of a princess in a day. And then, I think that's all about the explanation. Now let's read the examples on the PDF file I have shared to you in Google Classroom. Please pay attention on the instructions also, because there might be some things you need to do, not only reading, but also answering some questions. Alright, still stay at home and stay healthy. See you soon. Goodbye.